guess what, you guys? Today we are doing a review on the Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. This is our first time opening it up. We are super excited. You guys can buy this on Amazon. I will have a link below, but husband's gonna unbox it so we can see what's all inside, and then we're gonna cook some tater tots for you. So one thing I do like that comes inside the box is it comes with a recipe book. There's so many recipes I've done research for to do it. It comes with the manual and then the book. The book is full of so many recipes, and I love it how it's got pictures included. I am so excited to try all these meals, especially chicken wings. I also want to do turkey.
Ooh, avocado fries.
Yeah, so we're going to just do something simple, but I will be making a lot more videos showing you guys meals to cook with the Cosori air fryer. So it is a big box. Husband's going to lift it out.
Okay, so it's got a nice touch screen.
And look at that.
It's got options for fish, chicken, shrimp, bacon, frozen items, french fries, broccoli, and other vegetables. And we're going to do tater tots. So it comes with a basket and a tray underneath it. So all you have to do is press your safety forward and lift this section out. So there's your cooking vessel and then your oil drip tray. Okay, so we're going to do some tater puffs. So we're going to try the frozen food like in the onion ring and chicken nugget area. We're going to do 350 for 10 minutes and we're going to shake.
Okay, so what we're going to do is preheat it. So we're going to push start. We're going to do preheat. Change the temperature to 350. It's only going to take 4 minutes to preheat. So once it's 4 minutes is done, we'll put the tater tots right in. Okay, so it is preheated. What we're going to do is open it up.
I want to see it.
Okay, just hold on. We're going to put the tater tots in here.
I like tater tots.
Now you can hear the sizzling because of the preheat. And it shuts off automatically when you open it. So we're going to do the defrost.
Or frozen food button?
Frozen food button. We're going to do 350 for 10 minutes. But in about 5 minutes, we're actually going to take it out, shake it up a little bit, and then put it in there for another 5 minutes. So you can hear the hum. And that's how loud it pretty much gets. So we're excited to try some tater tots. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. It started beeping at us to shake it. So we just took it out, shaked it. Ooh, yeah. Look at those tots. And then we're just going to push start again.
Daddy, you see
okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's check out these tater tots. They actually look good. Husband's going to test one out.
I'm going to let them cool down a little bit. They seem piping hot.
But they look like they are finished, and it was a lot faster than cooking them in the stove. So I'm excited to try these and see what they taste like. And I was looking through the recipe book, and there are so many recipes I want to try and share with you guys with the Cosori air fryer. So I will put the link below so you guys can find this on Amazon. I will also have a link so you guys can see how an air fryer actually works. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys all another time for another Cosori video of an air fryer. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.